This lecture explains tree traversal methods using an example. In the last lecture, we already saw that there are tree traversal methods: pre-order, in-order and post-order, depending on the order of where the root is printed. In the case of pre-order, root is printed before. In the in-order, root is in between left and right subtree. In the case of post-order, root is after left and right subtree. All these traversal algorithms follow recursive structure. So this shows an example with the root node f. So we have three traversal methods. So in the case of pre-order, in-order traversal, the order is left subtree, printing the root, then right subtree. So in order to understand this algorithm better, we should understand the fact that this is a recursive call and you should be calling this left root right order recursively up to the last level. In the last level, we will be printing in the order left root right. Then we will be moving back. This is how it works. So we will start from in-order traversal. The order is left root right. So we will be starting from here. There is a call to left root right. Since you have some nodes remaining, you will be calling again left root right with B, left root right. So this is the last level. So again left root right, left will be printed, root will be printed, then right. Right can be printed since we have some nodes remaining. So again we will be calling left root right, left root right. So this left are printed, then root, then right. Except this printing root, this left and right are recursive call. So you should call this till the end. So instead of printing this G, it will again call left root right. Left, there is no left child, root. So root will be printed, then right. Right won't be printed since you have some nodes remaining. So it will again call left root right. So it will print left, then root, then right. No right child. So it is printed A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. We can see that in-order traversal prints these three in order. And another thing you should notice that root node is printed in between left subtree and right subtree, that is in order. Next you will see pre-order traversal. In the case of pre-order traversal, the order is left, root, left subtree, right subtree. Left and right are recursive call. So again you will be starting from F. F will be printed. The call is left, root left, right. So it will call B, root left, right. So it will left is A. It can be printed since you don't have any other nodes remaining. Root left, right. Right won't be printed since you have some nodes remaining. So again you need to call root left, right. So root left, right. Root left, right. So you have printed root all the left, then you need to print right. So you need to again call root left, right. Root left, no left, then right. Again you need to call root left, right. Root left, no right. So this is about pre-order traversal. You can see that in the case of pre-order traversal, root is printed first. Next is post-order traversal. In the case of post-order traversal, the order is left, right, root. So again you will start from root. Order is left, right, root. So you have a call to left, right, root. From this you have a call to left, right, root. Left you have only one, so you will be printing left, then right. You have nodes remaining. Again you need to call left, right, root. So left, right, then root. So left and right are printed for this one, left, right, root. So you have left, then you need to call right. This one is right. You need to call left right root. Left right root. But here you have some nodes remaining, so you need to call left right root. So left right and root. Left right and root. So root is printed last. That is the case of post-order traversal. So these are the different traversal methods: in order, pre-order and post-order.